we are looking at how to pronounce these words. How do those pronunciations differ from one another? Those are different words, they are not to be pronounced the same way. The top word is said in British English as mayor, mayor. In American English, however, it is normally said as mayor, 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 or mayor. The bottom word is said in British English as major, major. In American English, major. So, in British English we have mayor versus major. In American English, mayor versus major. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.